Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Healthy Living channel, where your health is your wealth. Don't forget to ring the bell if you want more tips for healthy living. Was that organic?
Yeah.
A little bit.
How is it?
It's pretty good.
Zippy?
Mm-hmm.
How is it? It's good. It's very, very rich. It's very rich and very zippy. I think zippy describes it actually. I don't know what that means, but that is how it is. It's zappy. Give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay. My hip.
Good job, Mom. If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and give us a comment below and let us know what you liked most about this video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.